Alrighty. So I'm gonna put some of this stuff here in the bottom. That kind of help with drainage. Having that there, and then I fill it up with this here mushroom compost. Okay, got this one full. Moving on. I got these here 5-gallon pots that I just put with the mushroom and the mushroom and something else compost mulch in there, and we're gonna choose some of the best peppers here to transplant and get those guys on a go, because they're just getting so big. They're terrific, tearing it up, so we got to get them moved on over here. Alright, let's figure out which one of these guys is doing the best. Here's the jalapenos. Those guys are starting to grow a little long and scraggly. They're starting to topple over, and they could use a replant. We'll probably do a jalapeno. Here we have the the Facilla Baggio. So we'll give that one a shot too, because I think that's the purple one if I remember correct. What's this one? We only have one of this one. This is the cherry pepper, and there's only one of them, so that one's definitely getting moved on. Unless this one's already flowering over here. But we don't know what it is. But man, does this one look healthy. I might put this one in there. This one's tearing it up. And then these peppers here, ooh, the habanada. Now I was looking for the habanadas. And as you can see, they just have kind of a shorter build to them, but they're all strong and healthy for what they've been through. So that's just a tough choice. I might even try double planting. You know, is what it is. Okay. So we're going to definitely do this one here that's flowering, because that thing is just looking really, really good. Starting to flower already. I mean, you can't just, I mean, you look at them roots. It's got a healthy system on it. It's going to tear it up in a 5-gallon pot. I'm just going to absolutely tear it up. We'll do this one. Bury it down a little ways. And it's okay if you bury a couple of the bottom leaves or snip those off. You want those roots to get that system in there. Here it is, sitting in its new home. We don't really know what it is. Unfortunately, it wasn't tagged. We'll find out later on. The next one we're going to plant, definitely going to be the short habanadas, because they're tearing it up. We're going to pick the best one out of all four. Right now, I kind of think it's this one on the corner here. She's, whatever she is, looking great. And the root masses, let's see. Well, still going to pick the one, this guy's looking the best, so. Another healthy root mass. That thing will plop right in there nicely. Do habanada on that side. I am going to double plant them actually. I'm going to double plant it, but I'm going to double plant it with habanada, so one won't take over the other. I would hate to plant one that grew taller than the habanada, and this seems like a short grower. So we'll do two of them, kind of side by side. We'll see how that goes. They look like they're gonna do really well together. And there they are, just planted, just pearled, just looking awesome. Alright, I do believe these are the Santaca chili. They both kind of look alike with how they're growing. There's some signs of cold damage on this one here with the purples. If you can see it coming in there, I'm not sure you can, but there is some purpling on the leaves and the stem. I really want these to do well. I really want these to be a part of the garden. So we're going to double plant these ones as well. Another good one going in there. And then from this one, we'll take, say, we'll take you. Doesn't look half bad. Alright, I just refilled one more of these, filled up one more, because we have this cherry pepper here that we're going to plop in there, and we might double plant it as well with a jalapeno. And I don't like mixing, but we'll see. Alright, we just got done planting them all, so come on in and we'll take a look here. Here's the cherry looking just perfect. It's kind of toppled that way, but once the sun gets to it for a couple days, it'll stick right up. Here's the two habanadas. Mystery one, I'm not sure. I just, I accidentally lost the tag for it. And then the Santaca, we got two of them side by side. I think side by side is going to work with these peppers. They usually get pretty little. I think it'll work out. Alrighty. Well, peppers are settling their home nice now. Just watered them in a little bit. We gotta get these in the ground here sooner or later. I gotta get more soils, and we'll get some more pots to load them up in. And I figure peppers will do better in here. It's gonna be hotter in here. It'll be really nice for them, I think. But we're gonna have more than just peppers in here. Everything's really doing nice. The Brussels sprouts look good. The broccoli up over here, looking good. That's about way out of reach, but it's looking good. Alright, and it's getting sooner. We might even start some lettuces soon. Get them rolling, but gotta find a pot. I gotta get more soil in here. So, hey, thanks for watching this transplant video though. Appreciate it. Let me know if you got tips on growing peppers. Anyways, that's about it for today.